Hi, I'm Jules, and today I'm installing a retractable gate. I got this so my pets stop running out the garage door when it's open. In the box, you'll find the gate itself, the brackets, and associated hardware for mounting. You can mount this on drywall or wood. Everything you need is included. There's the top bracket that slips into place and the bottom, which is movable to account for molding or anything that you might have to mount the gate against. I have the brackets on the gate, placed it against the wall nice and straight, marked the holes, then removed the brackets from the gate and mounted them. Not difficult to do at all. They are nice and solid in the wood here. Then you will slide the gate across the top bracket, lock it in place, then lift up the bottom bracket on the gate and put it over the wall-mounted bracket. Nice and solid, no problem there. Next, you want to make sure that the gate is extended and nice and straight to get an idea of where you want the brackets to mount the end. So I retracted it and then measured to make sure each bracket was straight, and that way we're going to have a nice tight gate with no wrinkles. Very easy to work this, so there are instructions and you'll just lift the button like that and you can twist one way or the other depending on which way you're using the gate, if you're rolling it up or pulling it out. There's my big dog and he's wondering why the gate is here, but he will be fine. This is a little dog again, they're just checking it out. So I'm going to unlock it, lift it up, I'm going to pull it over the hooks and let it retract, and there we go. The dogs are coming out and this thing is super easy to use. There is an added feature. There is a mount for the bottom of the gate if you think someone or something is going to go through the bottom. To secure the gate at the bottom, you have to make a hole in the mesh, use the grommet provided, and then attach the lower hook. This can be screwed into the floor or attached with adhesive.